Affirmations for Caring. Tape 01 from the series Caring Courage. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. This tape is not a list of commands. Rather, it encourages you to change the way you think about caring, shifting your perspective from viewing people as resources to recognizing them as human beings with dignity, needs, and potential. I choose to focus on the individual rather than the role they play. This approach deepens my understanding and strengthens our connection. I recognize that my people's success is my success too. When they grow, I grow with them. Trust is more important to me than control. Building trust creates stability and deepens our relationship. I give others the space they need to develop their strength. Together, we can achieve far more than I could alone. I listen without wanting to respond quickly. I want to truly understand. This shows respect and strengthens our emotional connection. I respect the boundaries and individual needs of others, creating an atmosphere of safety and consideration. I appreciate not only the outcome, but also the effort somebody puts into a project. This will truly motivate others. I see myself as a partner to my employees, not some kind of ruler. This approach will foster lasting trust. I'm comfortable talking about my weaknesses, which sets an example of openness and honesty for others. I think in terms of long-term development rather than short-term gain, as this gives our work meaning and sustainability. I take responsibility for ensuring that my words and actions uphold the dignity of others. This will make me credible. I support people because I want to, not because I must. This is what makes my leadership style authentic. I understand that empathy is not a weakness, but my strongest resource. It opens doors that would otherwise remain closed. I measure my value as a leader not by my own power, but by my ability to help others grow. This feels right and appropriate. I combine care with a clear direction, establishing trust and strength simultaneously. Today, you have trained your caring mindset. Over the next few hours, watch out for small signals such as a bit more patience, some active listening, and being able to show small signs of appreciation. This is your brain creating new pathways. When things get challenging, remember, caring is not a sign of weakness, but of strength. You are building lasting trust for yourself and for your team. Thanks for listening.